Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about to be 8 o'clock and today is 10th of February 2021. I'm your host Dr. 𝐂𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro and partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires and Astha Trade. So I'm back with my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is how, Nifty, I've just drawn some lines, I have excluded these lines, because these were not actually, I tried to connect as many points as I could. And these are the 3 days that I have left out. Now, if you have a look at it, maybe I'll just have to do a bit of this. Yeah. So Nifty is again, taking a price rejection from the lower levels, right? Nifty is taking a price rejection from the lower level. And as far as our target of 15,200, which I said on this particular day on 5th of February, it has already met. I still feel, the Nifty is definitely very, very bullish. And I just want to show you something on the basis of all the stocks which moved in the positive direction today. So the sectors that moved the market was actually the financial sector, means Muthoot Finance, Abul Housing Finance, M&M Finance, MFSL, Bajaj Finserv. This finance sector actually was responsible for Cholafin, right? These are the stocks which moved the market today. But a sector which is still not given a breakout and which I find is looking very promising. I made my video yesterday also on this Bank Nifty is the banking stocks, right? The banking stocks are waiting to be blasting up. Whether you look at HDFC Bank or HDFC, you look at HDFC, see how it looks like. It's formed a double top. So whenever there is a double top which is forming and that to be at the lifetime high, so it requires a lot of force for a particular stock to cross this barrier. If it doesn't cross this barrier, then the market, this HDFC will fall massively, right? But it's, the OI is continuously been growing into this particular stock. And even HDFC Bank, although there was a little bit of correction today, but HDFC looks so promising, so promising. Similarly, if you have a look at ICICI Bank, it looks so promising, right? Tomorrow, I'm definitely expecting a breakout in this particular stock, right, which is ICICI Bank, and I'm expecting a positive breakout. I'm not expecting a negative breakout. And tomorrow's rally, I believe, is going to come from, the IT sector, whether it is Coforge or it is TCS or it is Infy. All of these stocks had a beautiful move. They kind of tried to move up today. Whether it is HCL Tech, right? These are the stocks that they are going to move the stock. Even they're going to move the market, right? Even Infoedge, for that matter, I have added over here in the list. Coforge is also here. See, this is Coforge. That also looks very promising, and Infoedge, right? Infoedge is also looking very good. I haven't added. Let me add up Infoedge. So Infoedge is also looking extremely promising. I'm sure Infoedge. Where is Infoedge? Probably I have added it here. Infi. Why cannot I see it here? Infoedge. Infoedge. What is this? I don't know. What's this symbol? I don't know. What does it really mean? I really don't know why. I mean, we need to figure out why this symbol. But according to me, even Infoedge looks very, very good, right? It looks very promising. Let's see if I could get it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, indigo. It's not even here, right? So it doesn't matter, right? I'll just type Infoedge here. Let's put it here. This is how Infoedge looks like, right? Again, a very, very promising setup, right? If you see, it's been moving in a channel for last many days, right? This is how the channel looks like. Here is the channel, right? And I would like to push it down a little bit. The moment this high of this channel is broken, we can definitely expect a good breakout in Info Edge. Okay, now let me just come back to what I was trying to talk to you guys about my analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? Particularly Bank Nifty. Let me talk about Bank Nifty first. So here is Bank Nifty here. So today Bank Nifty has actually broken the low, right? But with the speed it has broken, with the same speed it has gone, it has taken a bounce, right? Let me show you in the shorter time frame what happened. So this is how the shorter time frame, 15 minutes time frame is. It for a short while broken this level and fell, but immediately a bounce came in. A very clear signal that this is a very crucial level for Bank Nifty. 13,35,550 is a very strong level, right? So, and the way it bounced back, it shows that there are institutions which are invested at this point, and they are not going to let it fall below this point. So let's come back to the option chain of Bank Nifty and see what is happening in Bank Nifty. So there is something that I want to show you. Let's see first tomorrow's expiry. What is the expiry happening? And let's see what is happening tomorrow. The highest number of contract, if you see here, RS 36,000, right? 36,000 is a place where the highest number of contracts have been written, right? So that means tomorrow, if at all there will be a positive move, it will be, and after expiry we can move a good move. We can expect a really good move in Bank Nifty. After that, these barriers will be broken and you will expect a good move up. So as of now, when I look at it, because a huge number of contracts have been written today, so 36,000 is a barrier which has been made by the option writers, right? So look at this level which I have marked, it has respected so beautifully. All right, so now on my radar, what are the stocks that I would like to buy tomorrow? And let me just show you on 1 hour, 1 day time frame. So the first stock on my radar is 𝐁𝐸, right? Where am I going to buy 𝐁𝐸? My buying will be above 135, right? My first target will be just 1 point, right? The reason for that is the lot size of 𝐁𝐸 is pretty big, right? When the lot size is good, you even getting 1 point, and that could be a good definite 1 point. So the lot size is 6,100. Even getting 1 point is really not bad, right? So my first target will be 136.5. If suppose this level is crossed, then I'm expecting it to go till 139, right? Those are my levels for a few days for 𝐁𝐸. The next stock which I'm finding extremely beautiful, right, is Godrej Properties. Godrej Properties is looking very good to me. Where do we buy it? We buy it right when the high of today's candle is broken, right? That means if I see here, you can see the values out on the top. So if I see today 1470, above 1470, we can definitely initiate a buy. And the rules I have already written on the Telegram channel, that I have given all the rules out here. Just a sec. So all the rules, before the day begins, I post all the rules. Plus, so I have written, if gap up or gap down by 2-3%, then avoid it. Stop loss will be 1%, target will be 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3%. Failure stop loss once you are in profit, right? So Godrej Properties is my second stock. So 1% stop loss means about 15 points will be our stop loss, and our target will be, first target will be about 7-8 points, and then 15 points, then like so and so forth. At least 1500 we can definitely expect, right? I'm finding IT, as I told you, IT is looking very good, but one stock which looks extremely promising, which is refusing to go down even when the Nifty corrects or the Bank Nifty corrects, and that stock is HDFC, right? have a look at this trend line, right? Maintaining beautifully this trend line for almost like from 2nd February onwards. And today also it maintained it, right? Although the bank nifty went down a little bit, it's maintaining it. So above 2780, it is just going to be above, on a lifetime high. Not only lifetime high, it is going to be a multi week, multi month, and huge. This is going to be a huge breakout. So above this place, you can, according to me, I'm not saying that I'm somebody who absolutely understand markets ins and outs, but I'm saying that suppose you get a breakout tomorrow, right? Because OI has been continuously building in this particular stock, 2782. If it goes above that, you can definitely expect 100, 150 to 200 points move in this particular stock. My personal understanding is, if a stock breaks its lifetime high with volumes, you can definitely expect a move of about 10%, right? So 10% makes it about 250 or 270 points. I'm not saying that much, but at least you can definitely expect 150 to 200 points, which is really, really good for a option for a future stock, right? So I have given you GAIL, I've given you Godrej Properties, and I've given you HDFC. Keep them on radar, and I am expecting a really, I'm believing that the market should be positive. Let me just have a look at international market. Where does it stand? So far, just slightly positive. Market is not, international market is not, nothing much is happening, but it doesn't look bad. So this was Bank Nifty. Just let me conclude about Bank Nifty. If I look at the 25th February, the month end option chain of Bank Nifty. So if you notice, there has been an unwinding happening at what level? 36,000, right? It is happening at 36,500 also. The unwinding is happening, right? Even unwinding happening at 37,500. And where is the writing happening? At 38,000, right? So all the fingers are actually pointing in the direction of a movement in the upward direction. But let's see. Let's not presume. Let's not assume anything. And if you look at the where exactly the the base is getting formed, it is at the level of 35,500. So for Bank Nifty, the base is 35,500, which it beautifully defended today, right? If you just have a look today, it beautifully defended 35,500, right? I showed you in shorter time frame. Just for a fraction of a second, it went below 35,500, right? And bounced back from there, right? So that's a very, very strong indication that this is a strong base. After this point, you can easily write this option and sleep, and this should become zero, right? So if the option writers, let me just give it to you, how much money will one be able to make it if you sell this option? Just always remember, be on the side of 586 institutional investors. So if you sell one lot, you get about 14,650 rupees. So this is becoming a very, very strong base for Bank Nifty, right? And whereas if you see here, there is option, there is, like you will find unwinding happening at the 500 multiples. So you will see at 36,000, you will see at 36,500, you will see, because these are the people who have shorted Bank Nifty way in advance, right? Like 6 months ago or 1 year ago, they have all shorted. They have shorted these options. Now they are expecting Bank Nifty to go up, and that is why you see these unwindings happening over here, right? So according to me, Bank Nifty is very positive, right? I can't say about Nifty, but looking at Nifty also, I feel Nifty may also have a good move up, because it just managed to close in by 2 points. And look at the double bottom that it has formed, right? Have a look at the double bottom, and this is a place which is the neckline of the double bottom, right? It managed to close above this with a powerful candle. So this is an indication. I mean, I'm not saying that I'm what I'm saying, you need to follow that, but this is my analysis, this is my way of understanding market, right? I may be incorrect and I don't want to force my views on you guys, but this is like, you can also think on those lines. You know what, that's what, when I make a video, I just try to give you kind of possibilities that exist in the market. So according to me, the fall was not a massive fall. Market fell for short duration, then went up, then came down and formed a double bottom in a shorter time frame, which is, you know, double bottom, whether it forms in a shorter time frame or the bigger time frame, always indicate the sentiments of the market and the powerful sentiments of the market. So I believe this is a really strong indication that market plans to go up. And what can we expect? At least 15,350 or 15,400 can be expected in next couple of days, or maybe 15,500 by next expiry. So with this, I'm signing off, and I'm expecting you guys to be present on my Telegram channel, and I'm expecting that you are available on my Twitter handle as well. I keep posting my tweets, you know, or something about the market, and you definitely must be there on my YouTube channel. So guys, take care and keep making money. Today I gave Grasim and it hit my stop loss, but anyway, I'm expecting it to go tomorrow. So it happens because we are all real people, right? I'm not always, I cannot say that I always will make money, but today my stop loss got hit. It's very natural, shows that we are not fake, we are real people. You will see end of the day all the calls that we give, and you can make out from there that there are some stop losses which do hit. So all real people will have this, right? So anyway, with this, I'm signing off. Take care and see you tomorrow in the live market. Be present on my channel and get one bang on stock. Bye bye. Take care.